Hi there, on this video I will show you how I'm going to make £873 or 73% profit, paper profit, within just a matter of minutes. I'm on a website here called VCCrowd. I've been a member of this private membership club, investment club, for quite some time now. And what they do is they allow ordinary people to get shares in exciting privately owned businesses before they get to the stock market. So for instance, at the moment, if you join today as a member, and you can pause your payment anytime you want, but basically join from €89. The higher your level of subscription, the greater proportion of your subscription will go into you as shares. Essentially, if you pay €89 a month at the moment for membership, you'll get about €79 worth of shares. They're all chosen for you. You don't have to do any heavy lifting. It's very much a set and forget. Just set your subscription. Every month you get shares in businesses the club has investigated. So this is far better than the private equity websites out there such as Cedars and Crowdcube, where you have to do all your research searching through thousands of businesses. So at the moment this month, we're getting shares in 5 brilliant businesses. Total Environmental Solutions, I'm a real big fan of those. Happy Drinks Company, Tex, My Town, and the premium dog food called Rockstar, which is just launching into America this month. So very exciting companies there. Like I said, just pay your subscription. You can pause, upgrade, downgrade whenever you want, but just treat it on a medium to long term. This is a 3 to 10 year type view you want to be looking at here. And what I'm going to do here, I've spotted a particular company in the club that I really do love, and it's Happy Drinks Company here. If we go and look at Lidl's website, Lidl, one of the biggest supermarkets in Europe, they have this Eden Bay Indian tonic water. Well, this is actually created by the Happy Drinks Company. They are up in Liverpool. They've got their own canning facilities, and this is about to be listed in Asda as well. So sales potentially could go through the roof. If I go to Cedars, where they're also raising funds on Cedars, we can see that Ian Minton, who's the CEO and founder of the business, said a can sold every second. This was just a couple of days ago. It says Eden Bay is selling a can a second in the UK. Wow. We have a major new listing to announce in June. Look out for Eden Bay in all Asda stores. So this is really big kind of tip-off that Happy Drinks Company is really going places. So if I just go to the private trading section here, you can see at the moment I have 22,608 shares. If we go to the Happy Drinks page, we can see there's an internal trading facility here. It's a bit like a stock market. This is for privately. Remember, this is not, you cannot get these shares on the stock market. You can't get these through Cedars now. They've just had their final fundraise, and that was successful in raising over £5 million for Happy Drinks Company to expand even faster. And that was at £1.21 per share. But you can see here on the left hand side we've got bid buy, people placing their bids, they want to buy shares. On the right hand side we've got the sell ask. So at the moment there's someone selling 502 shares at 69.5 pence. Remember, these are worth £1.21 according to the last fundraise, which was at £1.21, where they raised over £5 million on Cedars. So these are almost a 50% discount. So let me just select these. What I'm going to do, I'm going to buy that 502, I'm going to buy 1,053, and I'm going to buy 150. So I'm paying basically 70 pence per share here. I'm going to get a total of 1,705 shares. So we click on buy selected. And yes, I want to buy those. So I'm buying a block. Now, this is why there are some real bargains to be had within VCCrowd. If you spot a company like Happy Drinks Company going really well, in fact, their share price is up, I think it's about 300% in the last couple of years. They're looking to float on the stock market probably within the next 12 to 18 months. They've just taken on some new directors who are already with PLCs. One of those is with Domino's Pizzas, already listed on London Stock Exchange. So looking really, really strong. But what you'll find is you get bargains in here. Let me just go back to the trading page again. So if we go back to Happy Drinks, you think, well, why are people selling these shares at such a discount? Well, essentially, they may need to raise funds for whatever reason. And this internal stock market is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to premium members, to paying members of VCCrowd, so you can come in here and pick up an absolute bargain. So again, let me go and select those shares there. So we go back, we're selecting those. So we can see we've got a summary here, total number of shares that I'm getting 502, 1,053, 150, total outlays £1,190.99. But they are currently worth 1,705 shares I'm about to purchase. I'm buying those for £1,190 total, but they're going to be worth £1.21 each, because that's the current fundraising figure. So they're going to be worth £2,063. So I'm buying for 1,190 and they're worth 2,063. That's actually a 73% profit, or £873, pretty much instantaneously. Now this is only paper profit at this point. I expect it to be even higher than that as they float on the stock market next 12 months to 18 months. So I'll click on buy offers. Success, you've successfully completed a trading offer. Please allow a moment while the transaction is processed. Make sure the required cash or shares are kept available to ensure a successful transaction. So I had the cash in my account already. And this again is why there are bargains to be had within VCCrowd. To buy shares, you have to have cash in your account. And to add cash in your account, you go to your cash wallet and you click on credit account and then follow the instructions through from there. So that's actually it takes 2 to 3 working days for the money to appear in your account. And that's why there are more sellers than buyers within the market. And that means those prices are artificially deflated. So that's where you can pick up your bargains. So you can see now, I've now got 24,313 shares in Happy Drinks Company. So I'm very happy with that. So 24,000, let's just see what my total holding is now. So I've got 24,313 shares. They're worth £1.21 each. So that's a total of just under £30,000 of the shares. My actual outlay in terms of shares that I've bought is probably in the region of about £6,000 in total. This has been over a few years, but hopefully you find that useful, interesting. Do join VCCrowd. There's a link in the description. It's a really good place to be. They have regular live webinars. We had the CEO of Happy Drinks on just a couple of months ago again. And VCCrowd take all the hard work out of picking these exciting companies, because it's all done for us. So if you just want this on the simplest version, just pay your monthly subscription every month. The higher your subscription you go, the greater your proportion of your money goes into free shares every month for you. There's also, if you join using my link, you can win up to £250 worth of bonus shares just for joining the club as well. So that's just a welcome bonus by using my invitation link. And if you've got any questions, do ask in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks for watching.